Rakul has come up with new dishes also. So what are the new dishes she has made, like came up with that idea or created?
So basically, she like millet vegetable khichdi,
Okay.
and that is a huge success.
Okay.
And we have millet kheer.
Okay.
These two are the major success for now. And millet puri is the best-selling item.
Millet puri, okay. So what is her favorite? As you told, she has created, so must be her favorite.
Yes.
But when she comes
Her comfort food is a homely vegetable khichdi and millet kheer. She like this item.
so whenever she comes here, what she
Yeah.
orders the most dish?
Vegetable khichdi.
Vegetable khichdi.
Yes.
That's made up of millets.
Foxtail millet and
Foxtail millet.
Yes.
And something on other items, if not khichdi or some other items she ordered.
We have paratha, aloo paratha and paneer paratha. That is made up of multi-millet.
Wow, I must say you're serving to all
And
the
you
people.
should try all the items.
My God. I mean, we always had a plain, aloo paratha because she's from North. She's a Punjabi
yes,
girl,
yes.
so she wants a lot of good food.
Yes.
So parathas are first first crave.
We are working on more North Indian cuisines. Now
Okay.
we are working on poha.
Okay,
Yeah.
poha. That
Yeah.
made up of what, like?
Jowar flakes.
Jowar
In-
poha.
Yes.
Okay, so as you know, she's a celebrity in cinema. So has she got her friends? Their friends are coming from celebrity.
Yes.
They are
yes.
giving good
Yes.
response.
Her friends came very frequently and they used to pass on the feedback. And we interact with customers every day. We are receiving good feedback.
So who are the Telugu celebrities who have come and they give good compliments?
Few singers came and few side artists came.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the actors whom she has worked with all big actors.
Yes.
I think she has not left with any actor. Yeah.
Most of the people used to order online also. We are serving from 10 locations in
Okay,
Hyderabad.
okay.
You can order anywhere from Hyderabad through Swiggy and Zomato. So most of the celebrities order on Swiggy and Zomato.
So like Ram Charan, Mahesh
Yeah.
Babu, Prabhas, or we talk about his co-stars, so many.
Yes.
So Ram Charan sir has ordered something from here till now.
I am not sure.
Like what's his favorite, or
I
the
am not
actors have ordered, and what is their favorite from this restaurant?
No, I am not sure on this
Okay.
whether they order or not.
Ordered or not.
Yeah.
But most of the celebrities what liking from the popular item from this restaurant?
Basically, that varies. See, if you take South Indian items,
Yeah, sometimes what happens, there is always a popular item
Yeah.
demand, like we
Yeah.
want this.
vegetable khichdi is
Vegetable
our killer.
khichdi.
Yeah.
Okay, for all the celebrities also.
Yes.
Okay.
That is the comfort food. You don't feel heavy even after having that meal. That's the thing.
So well, let's go back. I mean, people are enjoying. So
You can
Aram will
take the
start.
feedback.
Yeah. Alarm. So Rakul ka, I think she did her shoot also. So I
Yes.
see it's a very simple restaurant. Like
Yes.
people always think when it's a restaurant of a
Basically,
celebrity.
everybody have a perception that
Yeah.
when any celebrity open in the restaurant, it should be more premium.
and this is
But
a
we are
Rakul in-
our
Ra-
prices are very low and it is accessible to all.
That's a good thing, but
Yeah.
mostly, Rakul is a big star and people
Yes,
always,
yes.
that's her own restaurant. So
Yes.
we will always say, oh, she must have done so much. But I think this is so elegant and very simple, which
Our
is
goal
needed.
is
Food
simple.
should be
We
good.
want to make healthy food affordable and accessible to all. That's why we kept the minimal prices.
Very good. So let's go to that kitchen. You very nicely said Sri Anna Atiti Devo Bhava. So we'll go that side. So this is the place where we can have food. You said very
you
nicely
can-
recently that so many things are happening.
Yes. You
Like-
can see the kitchen. There we prepare it. This equipment we brought it from Bangalore. This
Okay.
is specially designed. Basically, there is a tendency that if we grind it batter, due to the heat generation in grinding, we will lose some nutrition. So we grind our batter in such a way that we do slow grinding for a more time.
Okay.
See, for example, if you are grinding at more speed for 10 minutes, it will kill all the nutrition in the batter. So we do for more time with less speed. That will keep the nutrition in the batter.
And then-
And in that mission, we will have the temperature and time, so that we will give the proper SOPs.
But this is an open kitchen because
Yes.
people can see their food preparation.
Yeah.
Because nowadays so many, GHMC and so many, raids are happening, and people are little bit scared to come.
You can see what is happening. See, we observe a lot of people coming with their kids to feed.
Yes,
In
yes,
the especially
yes.
in the evening. So we don't want to compromise on quality. That's why we kept the open kitchen. It builds the honesty basically.
Yes, yes.
You can see the preparation of dosa. You can see the preparation of idli from
And the kitchen,
here.
how it's kept, what kind of ingredients are used, everything we can see.
Yes, yes.
Open,
We
everybody.
use almost top quality ingredients in every item.
So people can see it and have the
Yeah.
healthy food.
Yes, yes.
Because I know after this some news about the food restaurant, people are just getting little bit of myth, oh my
Yes.
God, will it be hygiene or not?
Yes,
So I think this is a better option. You can see your food, how it's get prepared, and nothing should be kept in the mind. You can have a healthy food. So as some of the dishes we can just go, I think this
As
is
many
your
as-
self-service.
Yeah.
Snacks also there.
Snacks we keep between 3 to 6
3
hours.
to 6. So we'll get a millet snacks also.
Yeah.
Like morning breakfast.
Yes.
Then you get lunch.
Lunch.
Then you get snacks.
Dinner.